Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make donuts step-by-step easy guide. Start by gathering ingredients and tools so you can work without interruptions, including flour, sugar, active yeast, milk, eggs, and a pot for frying. Mix, knead, and proof gently until the dough doubles. Roll to about 3.5 inches thickness, cut rounds, and let them rise briefly before frying in oil at the right temperature. Begin by blooming yeast in warm milk with a bit of sugar, then mix flour and salt in a large bowl. Add eggs and softened butter, and stir until the dough forms a shaggy mass. Turn it onto a floured surface and knead for 6 to 8 minutes until the dough is smooth and elastic. Place the dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover with a towel, and let it rest until it roughly doubles in size. After the first rise, punch down the dough and roll to an even thickness for consistent cooking. Cut rounds and optional holes, then place them on a floured tray to rise briefly. Heat oil to 350 degrees F and carefully slide donuts in without overcrowding, frying until golden and flipping once. Drain on paper towels, then cool slightly before glazing or dusting so toppings adhere.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.